Welcome. Today we're diving into how to run multiple Roblox accounts simultaneously, exploring the benefits and usage scenarios. Let's talk about the latest updates for 2025 and how they've changed account management in Roblox. Here's a step-by-step guide on setting up new Roblox accounts safely. Follow me to get started. Did you know you can use different devices to run multiple accounts at once? Let's explore your options. Using different web browsers can make your account switching even better. Here's how to optimize for seamless transitions. For those more advanced users, let's discuss how to manage multiple sessions using Roblox Studio effectively. As you run multiple accounts, managing resources and in-game items is crucial. Here are best practices to avoid conflicts. Let's talk about potential risks and security measures to ensure your accounts remain safe from bans. Here are tips for switching between accounts effectively without losing your gameplay progress. To wrap it up, we've covered the best practices for running multiple accounts efficiently. Happy gaming!